In a world where success is measured in zeros and ones, where fortunes are made with the click of a button, there exists a tool beyond your imagination. Behold, Omnisend Automation, the titan of email marketing. But beware, for amidst the chaos of competition, one automation stands supreme. Prepare yourself as we reveal its might, its glory, and the path to harnessing its incredible potential. Are you ready to seize the future? Brace yourselves for the adventure of a lifetime.
And that's an intro. Editor, edit in the drum sound. It's the back-in-stock automation. Does it seem kind of underwhelming? Well, the numbers speak for themselves. Based on email, SMS, and push marketing statistics for e-commerce in 2024 published by Omnisend, we can see that among the commonly used automations, back-in-stock takes the cake by quite a long shot with a conversion rate of 5.84%. So if you're not using this automation, you might be losing quite a bit of potential cheddar. Let me show you how to set it up quick and easy. Let's first enable the back-in-stock form over here. Let's go and create a form, search for back-in-stock, and we can use an embedded or a pop-up one. In this case, I'm just gonna go with a pop-up and adjust it a little bit. So let's go to the theme settings, form layout, and instead of a pop-up, I'm gonna use a flyout because it looks a bit more interesting for me and I like it. I'm gonna place it over here because that's where the button is gonna be. People are gonna press on the button and the form is gonna pop back out. Now, when someone enters their email over here, they're not gonna be subscribed to the email channel, but instead they will be able to receive a back-in-stock automation updates. And I will show you how to set up the automation as well. Now, what's very important in this one is the behavior. Make sure that appears on pages for out-of-stock products is enabled for this form, because otherwise it might not work correctly. So let's enable it and let's see it in product. So this is my demo store that I've created and I have free products over here. Now, if I click on one of those, the form is just not gonna pop up because it's enabled to pop up for out-of-stock items. And currently I have stock for every item that I have. So let's go to the admin and make sure to adjust the quantity to 0, making it out of stock. Now, if we update this, it says sold out. And as you can see, there's a little button over here, notify when back in stock. If I click over here, I enter my email. And now I will be notified automatically when this item is back in stock. Actually, not really, because I have not set up the automation just yet. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, we are collecting subscribers to notify about the back in stock, but we're not going to be automatically sending them emails when these items are back in stock because we don't have any automations yet. So let's go ahead and create a workflow called back in stock, and it triggers when the products are back in stock automatically. So I'm just not going to change anything. It's going to display the item that is back in stock and notify, hey, this item is selling out fast. Make sure to get it right away. So let's start the workflow and let's go back to the admin of my Shopify store and let's adjust quantity back to, let's say, 5. So that it is back in stock. And in a minute, I should be getting a very important email. That's the sound of success. So let's check it out. And there you go. That's the email that I just got automatically sent by Omnisend. And there you go. Improve your ROI, boost your sales, and do your customers a service by letting those interested most a chance to copy your merch before anyone else. Keep on converting.